everyone, I'm going to give you an asthma hack when it comes to cleaning your bathrooms and such. If you clean your showers and your tubs or your toilets and such, and you end up hacking up a lung and have all this phlegm production, and you know it takes you a couple days to kind of straighten out from that, what you might be having is maybe something similar to a mild asthma attack. It's not good for your lungs. It's very unpleasant, and it probably makes it mean that you avoid cleaning, or maybe you avoid allowing your children to help you clean. It also might take you a really long time to clean your shower and your tub, and I'm going to solve that problem with some extremely frugal tips that are really simple and very accessible in this video. So make sure you say hello in the comments. If you're watching the replay, make sure you say #replay. That actually helps other people see this, and you can go ahead and tag a friend or family member that you know deals with asthma, allergies, COPD, or anything that's very related to like their lung health and such, or maybe somebody who's health conscious. They probably would want to know this too. According to the WHO, using disinfectants like what we commonly use to clean a tub and such could potentially decrease your lung capacity, the equivalent of smoking a pack of cigarettes. There was another study that came out that showed that using disinfectants in your home once a week could potentially increase your chance of developing COPD, a horrible lung disease, by up to 32%, depending on which type of disinfectant you're using. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to make cleaning your tub in your shower and your toilet, all of those things, much quicker and simpler, which reduces your anxiety about and avoidance with cleaning it. And we're also going to be making it more frugal in the meantime. Okay, see, some of you guys are here live. Okay, so this is my tub. It's important that if you have a kid or an adult that actually bathes in a tub of any sort, that you do clean it out right before they, sit their bottom down in there. That's because of like bacteria and yeast and such. And I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? The first thing I want to show you is the most frugal option. This is my 10-year-old Norwex bath scrub mitt. When you first get it, it's more firm than this, and it still kicks butt. Okay, the reason I like this is because it's got backlock inside of it, which is our trademarked micro silver that's embedded in the fiber, so I don't have to like launder it a lot. I'm not having to use disposable one-use things that I'm throwing in the trash and now I have to empty the trash. I'm going to show you some things about how well it works too, but listen. This scrubby side is incredible. So if you use bar soap, you know how you usually have to like actually scrub. You don't have to like scrub with this scrubby side, and it's safe for all the types of like acrylic things and everything. And then the other side is an ultra plush microfiber. What I do is this. I take the Norwex detergent because it doesn't have the respiratory irritating chemicals that other detergents have. And this is what I do. I take a quarter of a teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon, so use it less than this. You can even use just a sprinkle of it. I take a sprinkle of it, and this isn't like a Norwex thing. This is just my personal opinion, okay? I take it and I put it in a spray bottle. This spray bottle is like $7, and it's really sturdy. It's gonna last you a long time. It doesn't get flimsy. So I put that in here and I put water in and I shake it up until it completely dissolves, okay? So that's without all the nasty chemicals that irritate your respiratory system. And then I use it to spray all over really quickly. Now you're going to notice while I'm spraying, I have asthma, I have very sensitive lungs like my mama, and I cannot handle fumes. I cannot handle fumes of conventional cleaners. As I'm doing this, I'm not hacking up a lung. So if you were cleaning in your shower, you would be able to clean while you're in there taking a shower, not hack up a lung, and just get it done in a fraction of the time. Usually when you're cleaning a tub or a shower like this, you have to spray it down with a nasty chemical that makes you hack up a lung. Then you have to let it sit, and then you come back and scrub, and oh no, it's too dry. I have to like really hurt my hands spraying all over the place again. You don't have to do that with this. No like letting it sit or anything like that. You're going to take your bath scrub mitt that lasts you a very long time. It comes with a 2-year warranty, really no risk because there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. You're going to wet it, and then you're going to take the scrubby side. It's very important you take the scrubby side and do that first, even if you don't visibly see a lot of grime. For this tub right now, I see a lot of grime because we use a lot of like bath bombs and all kinds of things, and we exfoliate, so there's lots of dead skin cells. But even if you don't see it, it's important that you use the scrubby side, because that's going to break up the grime that can inhabit and kind of foster mold, mildew, and yeast. Getting to the crevices here, you see how quick and easy this is? I'm not hacking up a lung like I would normally with conventional ones. Now I'm going to rinse this out. I'm going to get the Ultra Plush side super wet, and I'm just going to go over it like this, so the Ultra Plush side can do a really great job at kind of grabbing things up. And this is super duper duper easy and simple. You notice I'm not coughing. I'm extremely sensitive to coughing. And this Ultra Plush side is just grabbing up all of the leftover spray that I had and all of the leftover grime that I scrubbed off. Now I'm going to rinse it out. And you can do once more, rinse over with the wet bath scrub mitt, but you don't have to. The beauty of this is I can squeeze it out and I can hang it to dry, and in 24 hours it's literally going to self-purify. Like, so it's going to inhibit bacteria, mold, mildew, and yeast, and all those microbes, because it's got microsilver embedded throughout. Norwex actually put this through third-party testing that shows that once you do this process, then you rinse it and wring it out. If you leave it hanging to dry, within 24 hours, the microbes in it, 99% of the microbes are actually inactivated, so they're not able to cause disease. They're not able to double in numbers every 6 minutes. That's an issue when you're looking at using a reusable in your home. Some bacteria double themselves in numbers every 6, 12, 23 minutes, 12 hours. And you don't want to do that if you're using that to clean your surfaces. You relate to that probably with cleaning your dishes and your kitchen sponges. You know how nasty and stinky those get. We have other replacements for that are more frugal than kitchen sponges you buy in the store, because they last so long, they don't get nasty and moldy. So this is an example. I hope this serves somebody really well. Now we do have, Norwex does have a bathroom cleaner, and this is most recommended. But I would say if you're going to start somewhere, start with buying the detergent, because one bag should last your family around 3 months. It is really frugal. It's almost half the price per load as that brand that rhymes with Bide. Works really, really well. And if you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I'm all about it, guys. So you are knocking out nasty chemicals in your laundry that can irritate your immune system, but you're also knocking out cleaning an area that typically irritates your respiratory system, and that's just a win-win for me. So if you're going to start somewhere, start with this duo, in my opinion. If you're looking to clean your toilet, and you just kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and you're going to love it so much. You can put that detergent on auto ship and save and have it ship automatically for a 10% discount. Highly recommend just doing that right out the gate, okay? Our bathroom cleaner is really cool because it's really focused really well on decreasing microbe growth moving forward. So if you have grout, I recommend using this and not using something that's going to disinfect the surface, because oftentimes those things actually get into your grout and eat up the barrier that's on the grout that protects it from mildew and mold getting inside of it. You want to use something like this that's not going to eat that barrier. 1 bottle of this bathroom cleaner should last you maybe about 1.5 years, because it comes ultra concentrated. So you put a little bit in a spray bottle and then fill the rest up with water. There are directions on the back, and it doesn't make you hack up a lung. It's really great with some hard waters. It's really, really great with soap scum, and you can use it like I just used here. Really, really, really well. You can use it inside your toilet, all the kind of things. So this is kind of like the ultimate go-to, but if you're going to start somewhere, start with detergent and start with a good spray bottle and start with a good bath scrub mitt. It's going to be so worth it. It's going to last you a really long time. It's going to make cleaning in your home. You can take that detergent and dilute it in a spray bottle like this and go get all that stuck on food off of your kitchen cabinets, get it in the floor grout with a little brush. You'll be shocked at how much lifts out of there. You can use it as a spray on your carpet stains with an EnviroCloth microfiber. It'll just grab all that stain up, stains that you couldn't get out otherwise. You can use it on your upholstery. You can use it, I mean, it's got so many uses. I use it a sprinkle inside my toilet bowl to use with my toilet scrub brush, and that way you're not exposing yourself to an unnecessary fume that, you know, like a disinfectant for the inside of your toilet bowl. That's complete nonsense. You do not need to be disinfecting that. You just need the bulk grime to be off and for it to be clean. I went ahead and put a shopping link above, like a shopping cart that includes these 3 things. Consider trying that out if you have asthma and you want to protect your lung health and kind of make some headway in that area. I'm also running a body challenge that's extremely frugal, like what I just showed you. It's really frugal, it's really effective, and it actually solves problems that people have. So underarm odor, and it helps with things like exfoliating, which ties in with many skin issues that people have, like acne. If you're not exfoliating well, it's hard for anything that you're doing for the health of your skin to work because you've got that barrier of dead skin. I personally deal with dry skin, and a cool thing about that is it's dry skin is sometimes like a moisture thing, and you know, winter and all that, but it's also sometimes just a layer of dead skin that you need to get off, and we've got the most frugal way to do that that's really effective and safe and healthy and sustainable. So I want to invite you into my body challenge. I am giving away multiple free samples in it. All you need to do is let me know you want to be in that, and we'll get you set up in that, and we'll have a great time. I hope this really serves somebody well who deals with the coughing fits after you clean your tub. And I hope that some of you guys consider my body challenge that I'm running in April. I'm growing my list of yes people. I've got about 70 people so far, but I'm looking to get about 100 people in there and serve 100 people with some valuable information. So let me know if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys around.